I am working on a hotel booking management application developed using a monolithic architecture. The application includes several modules, such as the login-logout module, booking module, search module, add property module, favorites module, and review module. Users can securely log in using JWT tokens, search for hotels, and make bookings. They can also save their favorite hotels in the favorites module. The review module allows users to provide feedback on the hotels they've booked. The booking module integrates with third-party APIs to send SMS and email confirmations. The project is developed using Spring Boot and Hibernate, with Java 8 for business logic and Maven for dependency management. For testing the RESTful APIs, I have used the Postman tool. I use Git and GitHub for version control. The application includes error handling and validation to ensure accurate data, while Spring Security safeguards sensitive information, making the platform reliable and user-friendly for hotel bookings.